Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to be doing a wash and go with the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. That's this. You guys know this is by Whitney. She came out with this. She is another YouTuber. She's been around for a long time. This is not a history lesson today. This is a tutorial, but I will have all of her information in the description bar. So check her out, y'all. But she came out with a cream, and of course, I had to support. And I'm going to be using this Wetline Xtreme, and I'm going to be using this little green one. I've actually already used it twice already, but I haven't used it in a video, and I was like, I think if I use it one more time without filming, I'm going to have to go get another one because it's the only one I got. So hopefully, hopefully this lasts throughout my whole head. I think it should, but you know, I don't know, girl. I don't know. So I'm just going to go ahead and start from the back. You guys know how we do. Whew. Ooh, I opened that Wetline and it just smelled like heaven. It smells so good. Oh, and I've already added the As I Am leave-in conditioner, just in case you're wondering. So y'all know I add my leave-ins in the shower, so I went ahead and did that. That's what we're looking like. Not too shabby. So you guys should already know this is a elongating cream, so my curls should stretch. This is like a stretching cream, so my curls should stretch while putting this on. Actually, I think I want to put it on the whole section because I don't like to take it like section by section and put my creams on. So I'm gonna put this all on at once. We're gonna start small. That ain't really small, but it's small enough. Just gonna add this. Feel like I need some more. But I got my spray bottle. Oh yeah. Make sure I saturate this up. It went into my hair pretty well. Don't see anything right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add the gel, play some music, let y'all listen to the music, and we'll come back.
I got something to say, baby. I think that you should know you're doing the most, sugar. So don't worry about the situation. I never let you go. Can you handle it if I go there, baby, with you? I can handle it. I can go there, baby, with you. Ooh, I hear you talking, babe. Can you handle it? Can I go there, baby, with you? We gon' set it off. We gon' tear it up. Baby, can you handle? Ooh, baby, you say all the time you only want the best of my love. Now I can see that there's only one way to tear it up. I'm willing to tell you everything, all that's in between us. But what if I tell you too much? What about you, babe? When will you tell me all the freaky things you are? For I do need you to know, make it through, our love will grow. Oh, imagine now I made the things would be. Yeah. Can you handle it? Can I go there, baby, with you? We gon' set it off. We gon' tear it up. Baby, can you handle?
Alright, you guys, so my hair is completed, and I did start noticing some weird, like, crumbling up when I was using this in conjunction with the Wetline Xtreme, and I've never seen anything else kind of react that way with the Wetline. But it doesn't look like it's in my hair anymore, so maybe my hair and everything just isn't warm enough in here. I don't know. But that was just something I did notice a little bit happening, but it looks good. So I'm about to go dry my hair right now. I'm about to go sit under the dryer, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I was just sitting under the dryer, and I was like, I should tell you guys about this game, like, right now, because I've been playing the heck out of it, and I keep talking about it to everyone, so I might as well tell you guys, my friends. So this video is sponsored by Lost Island, and I have been playing the heck out of this game. It has so many levels, you guys. I'm already on level 190. That's how serious I am. I've been playing the crap out of this game, okay? So it's just like a puzzle game. Every time I'm under the dryer drying my hair, you guys, I am playing this game, and it's addicting. It's very addicting. So I'm gonna play, and you get all these like boosters. I have some boosters down here, but I don't like to use my boosters because sometimes I am kind of foul with it, so you know. But we're gonna go ahead and play. You know what I'm saying? And this is the iPad Pro, in case you guys are wondering. Now this stage is very hard, okay? It's very, very hard. I've tried it, and it's hard. I win. Ugh. But anyway, y'all, this game is so addicting. I absolutely love playing it. But as you continue to keep going on and on and on with the game, everything gets a little bit weird, and you have to repair a lot of things, and it's just so interesting just going through and creating your own island. I mean, who doesn't want to do that? I am on level 190, trying to get to 200 by the end of this week, okay? So you guys should go ahead and download the link. Like, it's free. Play with me. I'm always playing this game. I'm kind of stuck on this level because I'm losing, but I'm gonna get past it though. So you guys can go ahead and download Lost Island for free. The link is below in the description bar. So for these harder levels, you're actually gonna want some more coins and some more lives. So make sure you guys click that link below to support my channel, of course. So yeah, I'm about to go sit under the dryer, and when I'm dry, I will be right back to show you guys what my hair is looking like.
Damn.
Okay, so this is the final look, you guys, and I think it looks beautiful. I really, really do think it looks really good. Now, let me tell you guys about my night. So yesterday I filmed the video. You guys saw everything. And I know my hair probably looks so different from that last clip. And that's because I went to Candytopia last night. And if you've been to Candytopia, they have a bunch of like confetti that's in your hair. And then you go to this station where you have to blow everything out of your hair. So y'all, I basically had an air compressor on my hair. So like I had to go like this to get all the confetti out. So my hair done been through something, and it was raining last night, and my hair still looks good. So that's how I know this combo is nice. Okay, it's nice and legit. I like it. My hair looks shiny. It looks good, defined. I think they blew the back out a lot more than the front, but whatever. It still looks really good. I really do like how it came out. What you guys think? You guys like it? Or you know like it? I like it. It feels very moisturized. It really does. It really feels like I'm going to get about 5 days out of this. Like, it feels too good. It looks really nice. I like it. I like it. It gets 2 thumbs up for me. So it looks like the Melanin Haircare and the Wetline Xtreme Gel is a hit, you guys. This green one, it just worked the same as the other ones. I don't see a difference between any of them. So I think you could definitely use any of your wet lines and it'll be just fine. But I think these two would be great. I actually purchased 2 of the Melanin Haircare Creams. So I do want to give one away to you guys. It's on my shelf, y'all. I would go get it, but I'm not. trust me when I say I do have another twist elongating cream. So I am going to be giving one away to you guys. All you have to do is be a subscriber of my channel, of course. And like this video and comment something below. Oh my gosh, come on, y'all. And just comment something below, and I'm going to pick a winner. What's today? Today is February 13th. I will pick a winner next Wednesday. What is that, the 21st? I will pick a winner on next Wednesday. But like I said, just subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment, and that is all you have to do, and I will be picking one winner. But I will put the information for Melanin Hair Care in the description bar so that you guys can check it out. Once again, congratulations, Whitney. Congrats, girl. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.